everyone. We are on the road with Miss Stephanie. And did you know that April is Stress Awareness Month? So we thought it would be a great idea to visit someone that could help us with these times when we are experiencing stress, especially our young people. And so in the children's room, we want to let you know we have a wealth of resources that can help you and your young people with any type of emotions and stress that they may be experiencing. So come to the library when you get an opportunity and ask us about our books about feelings, our books about mindfulness, our books about worry, our books about grief, you name it, we have it, and if we don't, we'll see what we can do to get it. Also, in our April Grab and Go kit, you will receive our stress kit, which will include a stress ball, some bubbles, a little journal, and a calm down cloud bracelet. So we are doing whatever we can to get through these trying times. Today, I am at Restoration Center. It's a counseling center for all ages, for all different types of things that we are experiencing. And we are going to have an opportunity to meet with Miss Sherrie, who is one of the counselors here. And she's also going to give us some helpful tips on how to de-stress when we're going through different types of feelings. So thanks for tuning in. I can't wait for you to hear everything that we're going to do today.
Hello, my name is Miss Sherrie, and I work at the Restoration Center. You can find out more about us at restoration.center, and we're located on Michigan Avenue, 115 West Michigan Avenue in Battle Creek, Michigan. And today, I'd like to share with you some ways that we can work on stress so that we can reduce the stress, the anger that we feel inside. So first, let's talk about breathing. I know everyone that's listening knows how to breathe, but let's practice breathing that helps you feel less stress. Can you put your hands on your belly and make your belly go really big by filling it with air, just like a hot air balloon? And then release it. And your belly goes down. Let's do that again. Very good. So one way that we can release stress is by breathing with our belly. And another way that we can reduce stress is having some fun with music. So maybe you like to sing or dance or play instruments, but that's a great way for your brain to find some relaxation and release some of the stress. Another way, and I'm sure many of you love to paint or do art, and that's another great way for the right side of your brain to find some peace and calm there, and that will help you to feel less stressed. And here's another way, and I'm going to just pull my mask down real quick. Maybe you have some of these at home, or maybe your teacher uses them, but when you blow on them, they're really fun. So breathe with your belly, and that helps your stress to be released. And I wanted to share one of my favorite books with you today. It's called Moody Cow. And Moody Cow has a terrible, horrible day and makes some choices that he is not proud of. And his mom says, you need to go see Grandpa. And Grandpa teaches Moody Cow how to breathe deeply, and it helps him be less stressed, and it helps him to feel better inside. So if you get a chance at the library, or maybe you have this at home, take a moment and read Moody Cow and see how he handles his stress. So thank you for being here. I hope that you have a great day and that you can try some of these ideas that will help you reduce the stress that you have. Bye-bye.
Wow, Miss Sherrie, I feel so much better just from those breathing exercises. Thank you so much for showing us those strategies. What else do we have here?
Well, this is what we call our sand tray. And you can feel the sand. It's so soft.
Wow.
And And sometimes when we are feeling stressed, we can come in here and use all of these miniatures that we want to and create a tray that defines or looks like our stress. So sometimes people would pick like a snake because someone in their life is not being very kind to them, they're lying. And the sand tray lets you talk about it and use these miniatures to describe how you're feeling. And when we describe how we feel better inside because we're not holding it anymore.
That is so profound. And then I also see other ways to express how they're feeling. You have some beautiful paintings up there. How does that help?
Thank you. So art helps our brain to help work through our stress. So we could paint a picture of something that's bothering us, or spend time like some of these kids have done, making a barn or trees, and just feeling that great peace of doing art. And then that helps us feel more relaxed and less stressful when we do art.
That is
as
great.
well. Yes.
That's great. I love that you all are available, and not only are you available, you are in most places. I mean, you are in downtown, downtown. So a lot of people can walk if they need to. Is there anything else that you would like for the public to know, or our listeners to know about your center?
Well, we would just love to have people come if they have time and they would like to talk to somebody, and the power of being heard is so powerful that healing happens here. We're the restoration center because we want to help people restore what is hurting in them or difficult experiences that they've had.
Wow.
So we work with 3 and 4 year olds all the way up to 93 and 94 year olds. And we have many therapists here that can help.
I love that. I love that. And then and I think I can say this, even if you're not sure, I would encourage you to just stop in. As soon as I walked in, I just felt so calm and comfortable. The way they have it set up here is just, it's restoring just walking in here. And so I would encourage you all to come in and talk. And it's just like, to our parents, it's just like buying a house. You have to find a place that fits the best needs of you and your child. And so I would encourage you to come and talk to Miss Sherrie and go to their website and find out more information, because we all could use some restoration in our life. So thanks again for your time. Thanks again for these tips, and just continue being that great light in the downtown area. We appreciate you.
Thank you. Thank you for doing this for us. We love that. We love what you do at the library and how we can connect now to help people.
Yes.
That's a beautiful thing.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Thank you.